Just because you're thirsty doesn't mean that you're gonna drink a poison. And that's what a lot of you guys do when you obtain these loans with high interest rates, hard money loans. Pónganse las pilas. If you feel like you can no longer pay your debt, go ahead and fill out the form on my profile website, and I will be more than happy to help you out. We have different programs for you to repair your credit, for you to eliminate debt, and most importantly, if anywhere else you've been denied to purchase your home, there is nobody better than La Reina del Credito. Go ahead and fill out the form now. Ponte las pilas.